Blessings. This evening, I have compiled a list of stories, so stick around for the news in detail. In the meantime, be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more. Beatitude intro soon forward. And as we continue to follow the case of Amoy Leon Issa, the mother of 9-year-old Gabriel King, the autistic child that was slaughtered under instructions given by his mother, lawyers representing the mother is now refuting claims made by the police that she is not cooperating with the slaughter probe now before the court. So her lawyer continued to refute claims, and they are consistent with their relentless efforts to let this woman walk free from her premeditated inhumane act, which led to Gabriel King losing his life along a section of the Tucker Main Road in St. James on January 13th of this year. Her rehearsals about potholes and carjacked by thugs, then abduction, etc. was all a movie skit, and she's now trying her very best to be acquitted of the role she played while on set. So we need to locate the other cast members and brought them to justice, but this woman is giving the Jamaica Constabulary Force a hard time because, speaking with the media last week, St. James Police Chief Vernon Ellis said the police were encountering difficulty getting cooperation from the mother. But this claim has been challenged by her lawyer, her attorney, Chuku Cameron. Be attentive.
We have sought to seek a variation of the order, among other relief, so that we can assist the court in their investigation into this crime. Prior to this, at all times, we have sought to reach out to the police and cooperate with the police in their investigation. It is unfortunate, the statements that were made by police in what is a sensitive investigation that we eagerly want to see come to an end and the culprits identified.
The police recently obtained an order from a judge to seize and search the mother's phone for cell site data, but Mr. Cameron, her lawyer, has since filed a motion challenging the judge's order. He argued that the order was not granted under the correct section of the Cybercrimes Act. Mr. Cameron also raised questions as to whether the proper safeguards have been put in place by the judge. So legal submissions began on Monday and are to continue Friday, which is tomorrow, in the St. James Parish Court. But the attorney has insisted that his client has been cooperating with investigators in the case, and he added that the police recent statement regarding the child's mother is unfortunate considering the sensitive nature of this investigation. He said his legal team and client eagerly want to see the investigation come to an end and the culprits identified. We all know that that is a lie because it is coming from the mouth of a liar. Only poor people alone are found guilty or denied justice. That is just to show you that money runs things in Jamaica alongside your status as a bigwig in society. Worse, if you're associated with the aristocrats, you are untouchable until karma gets tired of you. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. From one tourist mecca to another, we're now in the resort town of Ochirayos, St. Anne, where a manhunt is still on for 4 men who escaped the Ochirayos police lockup in August. Senior Superintendent of Police Dwight Powell, commanding officer for the St. Anne Police Division, says efforts to find the men have so far proven futile. He says investigations have led them to neighboring parishes, but there is still no word on the whereabouts of the men. On the run, are 40-year-old Terence Arilal of Claremont in St. Anne, who is charged with shooting with intent. Also at large is 42-year-old Dennis Colburn of Islington in St. Mary, who is wanted for illegal trespassing, or RAPE. Enjoying his freedom is also 22-year-old Javar Grant of Priory in St. Anne, charged with illegal possession of a firearm. And those three men were accompanied by 30-year-old Jermaine Rogers of Myland in Ocherias of St. Anne, who is also charged with illegal possession of a firearm. The men reportedly used implements to cut away the gates of the cell to gain their freedom. So SSP Powell is again appealing to the public to report the fugitives to the nearest police station if and when seen. The police are also reminding the public that harboring a criminal, a fugitive, is an offense, so most definitely you will be charged if they are found in your company. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. So many times in the criminal underworld we saw where after thugs challenge members of the security forces and it ends tragically on the part of the criminal in favor of the police, where they are eliminated. Several times during the process we saw roadblocks being set up by residents after the security forces defended themselves. And bearing placards during these protests are females, mothers, young adults and also teenagers. So for all who didn't know or don't know why is it so or why is that so, I'm about to show you a video of a lady explaining the procedure of how they go about organizing these chaos. Be attentive, but first please like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. Blessings.
You know, say God know me always want to do one video, but me as a person sometimes I don't know which topic to start from. I always want to elaborate when sometimes I see people them a black road, you know. As when I say the blogger, them always say them a cursing. Well, let me tell you my experience. Just when I did live in Spanish town, and I used say like police come and him shoot a youth. I remember one time one youth did run out one place named Dem Shopping Scene. And I tell the police and take a big strap off a dog, you know. You see me? I remember, I don't know, you don't know Spanish town still how it's set up, but them shopping not really far from shelter. It's come like a one place, but then just give like different name, you know. Like you have Top Road, Bottom Road, but I see him one straight lead you to the same community. You see me? And I tell you, you see from where with every bad man come creep out the whole way out of the yard and say, pussy, you know, go up on the front line, you no see what go on, no see what go on. You know, see the police come kill half the man them and sitting. And but the whole want to go there, and who not grab car, but I feel right and say we want justice, we have to block all the bridge, no mind sharp. Don't go there, you see, no. If them send come call you and you no go there, no man, no mind sharp at 24 blood clot over you left, you know. One way yard that one have to lift up from this, you know. And when the man then tells you 24 hours, you know, but I think police can save you, you know. The only thing you can do, if you're lucky enough, go away and come back with police to escort you with your things them from the community. And see, from the moment you do that, you say if you have no family attached to you, I could have been one stepsister, one in-law, them have to move out to, you know, because you go carry police, but you come back for furniture, you know, brother. So no fight time, you know, attack and I say, oh, people out there defend the bad man, them are sitting. Why them do it too? Because them want to move them gun. Because once police knows them take a strap off for a youth, them are going to run in a place. You see me, I wish my man did a black off or a ends out. So the time when them show out we as woman, if we go protest or strip, somewhere have to strip. Remember, woman have to take off all them blows. So the specific woman have, because you know, one time they say for your naked, police can't touch you. That's them can't get to move them gun, to escape back, through it back. That's the police, them not see. So they use we as distraction. Fi do that. Remember that same time I see him, I tell they take his strap from and they murder him. And we go the bow we are and the police they know, you know, and the police they fed up our system and they start beat shot, but them never realize say we not just come off of our own. We have to come out of us because man with gun rifle are come for your blood clot for go this. So no five people they say I protest, they don't want to protest, they can't do no better. I may tell you sometimes when you see things and you don't even know the road how I really are going to get to you. Hear that? So let me tell you that.
There you have it, and please remember to leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Most importantly, be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way there, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about what? Each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.